What things will float? What things will sink? I'm gonna get a basket. Yeah. I got a ducky. Sink or float? It's like it's swimming fast. It's a duck. Duck swim. There. Duck swim. Look. Quack. 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 It's a ducky float. My turn. I want to put glue. I have glue. Secret float. Hey! It was a big splash. It's floating. Whoa, it's floating. Can I play in water? Sink or float? Go down the water! I'm gonna put this in there. I'll put it. Wait on. Cool. I'll tree car. Take a float. You almost splashed me. I think to the bottom. Take them bottom. My turn, Dad. I'm again with the scorpion. Please, let's go.
What do you have?
A scorpion. I have a scorpion. Sink or float. Hey. You sink down the water. Let's sink down in water. Let's sink down in the water, though. Get another night on that right here. Sink or float. It flew. My love. It flew. Chocolate ice cream. Chocolate ice cream.
Chocolate ice cream?
Yeah. Take a float. You almost splashed in my head. Don't flow down the water if it floats. Flow in water. My turn now. I'm gonna get blocks. Blocks. I have a block. Sink or float. It's floating out of water. It floats on the water. It's one. Gummy, gummy. Gummy. Come down, dum, 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 dum. Come down, dum. Ready. So ready done. I don't know what he done. Scorpion. That's what scorpion. Getting closer. Because it's clear, look. I see Daddy, kid. I see him from the toys. I see him from the toys. Did you know? Can I see that, Dad?
Yeah. Come look.
Can I? Oh, look.
It's cool, huh?
Yeah. Hey, my turn. Put two plates in there and the tent top green. I got up in there. I have 2 plates. Take a phone. There are 2 plates to shoot the bottom. Let's see what we got. A cool diver. A cool diver. Take a float. Let's go see. Woo! See what's on the bottom. Let's do some more dinosaurs. Yep, Carnotaurus. I have a Carnotaurus. Sink or float. What did we get next? Photo. Here's one eye. Take a photo. See?
It flew down. It flew up there.
Up the tree. The Papa told float. What do we got next? Palace. Palace.
Polish.
Epic new palace. Take a float. Stick to the bottom.
Okay, my turn.
Wait, that.
I have 2 dice. Sink or float. It flew. Bobby. Hey, Ricky. Bati, 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 bati. Bati, bati, bati,
How do you spell Jim? J-A-M. Don't get. I have a blue pen. Take a photo.
Whoa.
Take to the bottom. Air cola. Take a float.
Whoa.
Take to the bottom. Let me see.
Where is it?
Let's see if my shapes float. I have a triangle. Sink or float.
Whoa. It flew.
I have a square. Sink or float.
You see? It flew.
I have 12. No. I have a pentagon. Sink or float.
It flew.
No, you're looking
It
down.
flew. All of these. I want to put this in here.
I have another toy. Will we sink or float?
Whoa, he's sinking in the water.
Yellow ball.
Sink or float. It flew.
A phone.
You see?
Oh.
Whoa.
See, I want to put ketchup in.
Sink or float. It flew, guys. Ketchup flew. Guys, ketchup floating, kids. It flew. The ketchup flew. Blah, 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 blah.
Wait. I have a spider.
Sink or float. It flew, guys. Spider flew.
Did it float or did it sink?
It sinked down the water.
I have 2 toys. Sink or float.
Whoa, I see him. Look.
See. I see. I have a pterodactyl.
See?